What is going on YouTube? It has been a couple days and now we have come up with a new plan for the drift trike. So first of all, I went ahead and bought a second bike off of Facebook because I think this one was going to work a whole lot better. It's a little bit taller, 20-inch rim. The front handbrake works really well. It was $20. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this one because it's also got the disc brakes cable going through the tube here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking this bike apart. But before we get to that, I also have decided to redesign the frame. So originally I was going to do something like this on this bike and weld it together and then mount my seat and my stuff here. Well, I've come up with a new design. You can see here I drew it up in AutoCAD. And so basically, I'm going to make this a little narrower. So I'm going to cut this part off here, narrow it up, and then I have a bunch of other scrap pipe that I'm going to weld up as the framework. Over here, we got a bunch of stuff from Amazon. We got some pillow blocks, we got a shaft, we got some pegs for the front wheel of that new bike. We have the drive sprocket, the clutch that goes on the motor, the throttle cable and handle here, as well as the Predator 212 motor from Harbor Freight. So check that out later. I'll put that on eventually. But first what we're going to do is disassemble this bike and then we'll go ahead and try to put some of this stuff together, kind of lay out how it looks. Alright guys, we're done for the day, but go ahead and I'll show you what my frame looks like. It's kind of how I drew it out. There's the frame, and this is what it's going to look like. Let me take the seat off. But yeah, you can see the back end, got the bearings, the shaft. We're probably going to notch this out probably next weekend, weld it up. But tomorrow we're going to work on making the seat brackets and the motor mount bracket. I got the motor over there, so I got some steel. And we're going to drill some holes and get those ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, please subscribe, take care, and have a great day.